Creating a financial vision board is a powerful way to bring your financial goals to life. It's a visual representation of your aspirations, whether that's saving for a dream home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. By putting your goals in front of you every day, you stay motivated and focused on what really matters. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to make your own financial vision board, from gathering materials to choosing images that resonate with your goals. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's get started. Today we will talk about how to make a financial vision board. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Understanding the concept of a financial vision board. A financial vision board is a visual representation of your financial goals, aspirations, and dreams. It is a powerful tool that helps you stay focused, motivated, and aligned with your financial goals. The concept is simple. By putting your goals into a tangible form, you make them more real and achievable. This could be a collection of images, quotes, or words that represent your desired financial outcomes, such as debt-free living, saving for a house, or retiring early. Vision boards work because they help clarify your objectives and create a roadmap for achieving them. Having a financial vision board allows you to visualize the future you want, which in turn enhances your focus and helps you take actionable steps to get there. It creates an emotional connection to your goals and reminds you why you're working hard every day. Studies show that visualizing success increases the likelihood of achieving your dreams, and when you can see your financial goals clearly, you're more likely to take the necessary steps to achieve them. Start by thinking about what you want your financial future to look like. Do you want to be debt-free, invest or retirement, or save for a large purchase? Your financial vision board will be a reflection of these aspirations. 2. Setting clear and specific financial goals. The first step in making a financial vision board is setting clear, specific financial goals. Without knowing what you're working toward, it's difficult to create a meaningful vision board. Take time to identify your financial priorities and break them down into smaller, actionable goals. This could include paying off credit card debt, saving for a vacation, investing in a business, or building a retirement fund. It's crucial to make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save more money," a smart goal would be, "I want to save $10,000 for an emergency fund by December 2025. This clarity gives you a clear target to aim for, which makes it easier to choose images and words for your vision board that reflect these specific goals. Incorporating both short-term and long-term goals is essential. Short-term goals give you something to work toward immediately, while long-term goals help guide your overall financial journey. Both are equally important in creating a balanced and achievable vision. For instance, a short-term goal could be paying off a small loan within 6 months, while a long-term goal might involve saving enough for a comfortable retirement. 3. Gathering supplies and materials for your vision board. Now that you have a clear understanding of your financial goals, it's time to gather the supplies you'll need to create your vision board. The beauty of a vision board is that it can be as simple or as creative as you want it to be. You don't need to buy expensive materials, and the process can be done on a budget. The basic supplies you'll need include a board or canvas. This could be a corkboard, poster board, or a simple piece of cardboard. You can also opt for a canvas or a wooden frame, depending on your aesthetic preferences. Magazines, newspapers, or printouts. These materials will be used to find images, quotes, and words that resonate with your financial goals. If you don't have access to magazines, you can search online for printable images or quotes. Scissors and glue. These will help you cut out and paste images and words onto your board. Alternatively, you can use push pins if you want to rearrange your images later. Markers or pens. You might want to add personal notes, goals, or reminders next to certain images or quotes. 4. Choosing the right images, quotes, and words. Once your materials are ready, it's time to start collecting the images, quotes, and words that will fill your financial vision board. The goal is to find visuals that inspire you and align with your specific financial goals. You want these images to reflect your desired lifestyle and to trigger positive emotions that motivate you to take action. Look for images that represent the life you want to live. For example, if your goal is to save for a home, search for pictures of beautiful houses or neighborhoods. If you want to be debt-free, look for images that represent financial freedom, such as a credit card with a paid stamp or a person celebrating financial success. In addition to images, include words and quotes that resonate with your financial journey. For example, you could use motivational quotes like, "Financial freedom is a journey," not a destination, or money is a tool, not the goal. 5. Arranging your financial vision board. Now comes the fun part, arranging your vision board. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but how you organize your images and quotes can influence the way you interact with the board daily. One option is to group images by category. For instance, one section for debt-free living, another for savings goals, and another for investment or retirement plans. This can help you stay focused on each individual goal. Alternatively, you can arrange your images in a more free-flowing way. Some people prefer to spread the images out across the board without grouping them, creating a collage of dreams and desires. This method gives a more creative and artistic feel to your vision board and allows for more fluidity in how you interact with it. When arranging your images, think about which goals are most important to you and place those items where they'll catch your eye the most. For example, if paying off debt is your priority, position images related to debt repayment at the center of the board. This way, when you look at your vision board, your most urgent goal is front and center. 6. Incorporating actionable steps and milestones. A vision board is not just about visualizing your goals. It's about taking actionable steps to make those goals a reality. After you've arranged your images and words, it's time to include some specific actions that will help you achieve your financial goals. For instance, if you've included an image of a vacation spot you want to visit, add a note about how much you need to save each month to fund that trip. If you're working toward a debt-free life, write down the steps you need to take to achieve that, such as creating a debt repayment plan or consolidating high-interest loans. This will give you a clearer roadmap to follow. Additionally, consider adding small milestones to your vision board. These could be smaller financial achievements that lead up to your larger goals. For example, a milestone could be saving $500 toward an emergency fund or reducing your credit card balance by $1,000. By breaking down your larger goals into smaller, more achievable steps, you'll stay motivated and focused on making consistent progress. 7. Placing your financial vision board for daily inspiration. Once your financial vision board is complete, it's time to find a place to display it. The key is to place it somewhere you will see it every day. This could be in your office, bedroom, or in the kitchen. The goal is to keep your financial aspirations front and center, where they will continuously remind you of what you are working toward. Seeing your vision board regularly will keep your goals top of mind and help you stay focused. It will also reinforce the belief that your financial dreams are achievable, creating a positive feedback loop that fuels your drive. If you prefer a more portable option, consider taking a photo of your vision board and setting it as your phone or computer wallpaper. This allows you to carry your goals with you wherever you go. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.